Good morning. I'm going to be doing a Bluetooth review of the Aukey headset. I'll have in the description below the model number, etc. But these are fantastic in some regards and others not so great. So let me show you a few things and we'll talk this through with you. So first of all, the Aukey EPT21, you can get about 20 meters away from the device that is connected to it before the signal breaks up. And I was using it connecting to my Windows 10 computer. So certainly other devices might have a stronger or weaker signal. The battery life is kind of neat in that you can get like a 4-hour charge from the actual headset, but then it's got a case that you can carry around with you, and you can put it back in the case and it will recharge it 5 more times. It's a 380 milliamp case. It does take about 2 hours to recharge, so it's not like it will be continuous use. Does that make sense? But if you're away from the home, away from the charger, away from a power outlet, then you can certainly keep that going. It's light. It's only 2.4 ounces. The microphone is good. I'm pretty pleased with the microphone. It was very quiet rather than some of this background static and so forth. The materials, really like it. It looks nice. The case is the nicest one that I was reviewing. It's solid, it feels good, it looks good. The Aukey paired nicely both with my laptop and also with my phone. Pairing for the first time, it was fine, and then reconnecting back and forth always seemed to find it and connect nicely. Cost, $29 on Amazon is what I'm consistently finding. Some drawbacks. First of all, the sound. It's okay, but it's not fantastic. I've got 2 other Bluetooth sets that I've been reviewing, and their sound is much better in terms of if you're going to listen to some music, if you're going to watch a movie. It just seems better sound, fuller. These are a bit thin, a bit tinny, so it kind of depends. If you're going to just use them for phone calls, speaking is probably fine. The issue is for fuller sound, for music, for movies, with lots more range, it's lacking there. Another component is it does have several touch features to take a call, to cancel a call, to pause music, but they're hard to find. The exact spot on them where to touch is a bit tough. Now here's a funny one. They're tricky to get out of the case. They're magnetized, so that's kind of slick. They hold right in there and charge, but there isn't a great way to get your fingers around them to pull them out of the case. And so that is interesting to me. It's workable, but it's not easy. So if I was designing something, if I was talking to the designers, I'd say, hey, listen, you got to do something so we can actually pull them out of the case easily. So those are the Aukey Bluetooth setup. Overall, very happy with it, but doesn't really make me overjoyed in terms of listening to music with it. Comfort, by the way, I like how they fit in my ear. They stay in. I'm not worried about them falling out. They feel good in that regard. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.